The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3, it's a name that's already legendary among sports cars, and this year's model continues to live up to that legacy. Right from the start, the GT3 pulls you in with its fierce stance, a design perfected over generations to achieve both beauty and functionality. With aggressive aerodynamics, a massive rear wing, and a distinctive front fascia, every detail on this car serves a purpose. But this isn't just a track-focused beast. Porsche has once again made it a car that's equally at home on winding mountain roads as it is on the circuit. Now let's talk power. The GT3 comes with a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, cranking out around 502 horsepower, paired with either a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission or an optional 6-speed manual gearbox for purists. This isn't just raw power, it's Porsche's engineering mastery at work. The engine revs up to a spine-tingling 9,000 RPM, delivering the iconic Porsche sound that's more symphony than exhaust note. Porsche has also fine-tuned the suspension, making use of double wishbone front suspension and rear axle steering, both of which provide an incredible level of control and stability, even under intense cornering. This means the GT3 isn't just about raw speed, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as close to perfection as possible. Inside, the 911 GT3 feels more like a race car than a typical luxury sports car, but Porsche has included some refined touches that make it comfortable for everyday driving. You'll find Alcantara and carbon fiber accents throughout the cabin, giving it a high-end, yet performance-focused feel. The seats are aggressively bolstered to keep you in place at high speeds, and they've even included options like heated seats and a premium sound system if you want a touch of luxury. The cabin tech includes Porsche's latest infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, but it's been designed not to distract you from what really matters: the drive. Now, if there's one thing that sets the GT3 apart from other high-performance cars, it's the balance Porsche has struck between power and control. This car isn't just fast in a straight line, it's engineered to make every corner a thrill. With its advanced aerodynamics, it generates downforce without adding excessive drag, and the rear wing provides extra stability at high speeds. Whether you're hitting the track or the highway, the GT3 feels stable, planted, and responsive in a way that's rare, even among high-end sports cars. Porsche has focused on making every part of this car deliver a feeling of connection with the road, and you can feel that in every turn. In summary, the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 is the kind of car that enthusiasts dream about: a finely crafted machine that combines stunning design, raw power, and impeccable handling into a single, unforgettable experience. It's a car that lets you feel every inch of the road, making even the most mundane drive something special. If you're looking for a car that brings out the best of Porsche's engineering, style, and racing heritage, then the GT3 is more than worthy of your attention. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what excites you most about this year's GT3.